Welcome back to Overheat, Mercedes Benz Motorhome 2026, a blend of the newest technology, comfort, and luxury. External, aerodynamic and elegant. Modern front fascia design. Using the most recent Mercedes Benz design language, this grille features the recognizable star logo and crisp LED lights. High-quality materials, sandwich panels with excellent thermal and acoustic insulation are examples of materials used in bodybuilding that are both lightweight and robust. Wheels and suspension. Aesthetically pleasing alloy wheels and a suspension system that maximizes driving comfort even in a variety of road conditions. Interior, multi-purpose and opulent. Smart layout, flexible arrangements and interior design that make the most of available space. There will probably be a range of arrangements, such as fold-out beds and fixed sleeping places. Premium materials, exceptional materials like excellent leather, high-end wood or veneer, and plush. Long-lasting upholstery are used. Modern kitchen. This kitchen has stainless steel sinks, gas or induction burners, refrigerators and freezers of a suitable size, and clever storage for food and cookware. Ambient lighting, LED lighting that can be changed in color and intensity to produce various moods as desired. Smart storage, a variety of cabinets, drawers, and storage sections made to make the most of available space. Safety and technology, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, active braking help, and park assist are among the newest Mercedes-Benz driver assistance systems ADAS, active and passive safety systems, ABS and ESP braking systems, driver and passenger airbags, and a body structure built to offer the best possible protection in the case of an accident. Extra features for connectivity, potential interaction with smartphone apps to enable remote control of a number of motorhome features. A 360-degree camera facilitates parking and maneuvering in confined areas.